Hello South Africa. Today is Friday, July 15, 2022 and here is news in a minute. High-speed chase in Durban gone wrong. A high-speed chase in Durban went horribly wrong on Thursday evening. And it was all captured by the dashcam of the SAPS flying squad vehicle. The video has since gone viral. According to reports, the incident happened on Thursday evening, but it could not yet be confirmed. In the video, a high-speed chase is in pursuit with a car seen swerving recklessly in between cars in the traffic as he tries to evade the police behind him. As the police vehicle closes the gap between them, the two-lane road becomes one lane at the traffic lights. And suddenly a car is seen right in front of the police vehicle. The driver of the police vehicle is clearly going too fast and he is seen smashing into the back of the car. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.